Welcome back and welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to plan for the week 25th through to the 31st of March, and it's going to be an Easter theme. I have the Happy Easter collection from Hubman and Chubgirl. So let me show you quickly what we're working with. I've got some die cut vinyls, and these came in a packet of 5, and that's all 5 of them there. So I mightn't use all 5. But we'll see. And then as well as that, I have this little Easter bunnies sticker sheet. Lots of different options on it. Love this little one with the balloons. And then the actual kit itself is 3 pages. So we have the full boxes and the headers. I use work and this week. And then we have lots of different quarter boxes and faux washi. And then we also have some Easter eggs as the header, banners, and some faux washi here. And we have our Monday to Sunday. And to go with that, because there's no dates in it, and because I've sort of been using it consistently anyway, I have the Planner Monkey Co. Transparent Minis, and it's TBM 264 to use as the dates. The pen I'll be using this week is the Zebra Sarasa clip. I actually really want the grand version of this. I think this is one of my favourites. It's like a black and purple ink. It's Cassis Black, it's called. And I don't have the grand barrel. It's a normal barrel, but I'm going to use that. I haven't used this in a while. And then I also have a Zicklin colour dot marker, and it's number 803 English Lavender. So let's put down the base as usual and we'll get started. March has actually felt like a really long month. Normally I'm talking about how much time flies in, and it does, but I can't believe this is still March. It feels like we should be in April already. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. So yes, we're going to get the dates and stuff put down first, as well as the bottom, and I put little dots down here to track the weather, and then we'll go from there.
Coffee in a paper cup, the engine starts right up. Clip myself into the middle seat. Daddy liked talk radio. On gravel he would drive real slow. He told me let's go see what we could see. We pulled into the empty lot before the pavement got too hot. Underneath her leafy crown, the only shade for miles and miles around.
Speaking of time though, as much as this month has felt like it's forever, I can't believe it's nearly Easter again. If you follow my home series, it was actually the Easter week. I was off for a week. I'm not taking it this year, but I was off for a week and I started working in this studio, and it was only a few weeks ago there that I actually finished it and moved in. That's crazy. Unbelievable. Anyway, so what one do I want to use down the side? I think I want to use one of the Happy Easter ones. Let's use this little blue one. Actually no, because then that'll be right beside that, which is blue. We'll do yellow. Yes, I like to try to, or not mix it up, what am I talking about? Like have balance. I think a spread looks better when you have the balance of colours, you know what I mean, like that's purple there, yellow, green, and I try to change it up and have the balance across it. Unless of course the colour blocking is intentional, like you could make all this blue, all this yellow, all that blah blah blah. But that's not what I'm doing. Anyway, so let's put a little faux washi across here. And then let's do one of the Easter egg banners. This is really putting me in a spring mood. If you look outside, it actually looks quite sunny, but it's not, it's cold. It's that bizarre in between stage. The weather I hate the most, I'm sure I'm bound to have mentioned this before on the channel, but I hate when it's hot but raining. Right, work, work, work. Let's use this blue one. And then of course we have our little box. And we're going to cut the Saturday and Sunday off. Okay, and then down here is this week. And there's only one of them. Okay, so I think I'm going to put one that says Happy Easter again at the side. I'm thinking this one, it fits perfectly. Or do I want to use the one that says Happy Easter actually on Easter Sunday? And then use this little one maybe, or one of the other ones down the side. You see there's a chick up there. Decisions, decisions. That fills the space better. Although that's all purple, purple, purple. Yes, I'm overthinking this. Oh, I just realised you couldn't see that side. Apologies. I do think I will use this Happy Easter here because it is actually Easter Sunday on that day. Yeah, I'm definitely going to use this here. I just need to make the decision. But I need to use something different, I think, in here. Because even though that fills a space well, it's purple, purple, purple. So I need a different colour. And I can always use one of my little stickers underneath it. Or just space it out and use two of the banners or something. Yeah, I think I'll do that. Okay, I'm going to put these down and I'm going to put all my full boxes in. Let's do that. Right, let's put in the plans. So Monday I have a nail and lash appointment, as you can tell by the length of my nails. They're due. So let's do it with a blue. I could only get it over lunchtime again. So we'll put it here. And then I have this little lash appointment sticker from Hubman and Chubgirl. And then as well as that, I update the groceries and I'm going to put that down at the bottom of the day again. Let's do a little bunny with balloons. I know that's need yellow, I think. Yeah, actually no, let's do this with the carrot because this is blue. So we'll change it up. And I have a little emoji dressed like a sheep. Nice for spring and Easter time. And I'll put it there at the laptop for updating the groceries. And then Tuesday, I need to have a Tesco delivery at 12 that I'll be updating the app for. So let's do the purple. If I do that there, in fact, I'm going to center it because I was going to do it like this and then put the sticker at the side, but then they'll be right beside each other and I don't really want that, so I'm just going to center it. In fact, no, I'm going to set it to the side so to show the 12, and then I'll put my little Hubman and Chubgirl grocery bag above it. I'll put it over here, actually. And then maybe fill the space in with one of the little washi strips. Just don't think I would like the look of them being right beside each other. I've just realised I haven't put my dates down. Were you all trying to tell me? Oh, let's do it now. There we go. How satisfying to use that up. Where was I before I got distracted there? Don't even remember what I was talking about. So Tesco delivery is there, and then we have leave out bins, and I'm going to use this little irritated looking emoji behind the bin, and I'll put it up here, and then that's it. And then on Tuesday I have this newer one that I got. I'll link my recent haul down below if you want to see. It's the 8-year anniversary order, and I stocked up on a few things, and I got this little recycle emoji and some of these, and we'll put this to this side and then use the Zig King colour dot to do which bins they are, because I forget every week even though it's only a 2-week pattern. Anyway, right, so Friday then, we have Good Friday, of course. I'll be off work, and I have my little icon from Coffee Monsterz Co. here. Do I want to put this down so low? Or just pop it up here? I think I actually do want to put it up here. And then on Saturday is my sister's birthday, and I have here a little emoji holding a present with a hat on. As part of my stock up, I got some things to mark birthdays, and I'll put that together with, let's see, let's do a yellow dotty one. I have so much stuff in this collection, but it's no big deal because there'll be Easter again next year, and even if I don't use all these bunnies or something, I can put it in my season/occasion section like I did last week if you were watching with the spring stuff, so they'll definitely not get wasted. Anyway, right, so that's Laura's birthday, and then we're actually having a little family party, and the kids will be going out and doing an Easter egg hunt and everything, like a little dinner. And I think I'm going to use one of these little emojis with an Easter basket, or emojis. This isn't TCMC, Ruth. Bunnies with an Easter basket, sorry, force of habit. And I'm not going to limit it to a smaller box because it will be a longer period of time that I'm there. I actually was supposed to have a hair appointment at 12:15. But I didn't want to miss the family party, so thankfully I just rang them before this and they were able to change it for me to this Saturday, so I'll be able to get my hair done. By the time you're seeing this, it'll have been the Saturday that just happened. Yeah, that's the party. And then on Sunday it is Easter Sunday, and I have the other little label from Coffee Monsterz Co. And I'll put that up there. I remembered to leave space for it. There, that is me planned for the week. Now I just need to write everything in, but before I do, I'm going to quickly sort out my stickers, so I'll be back with you in one sec. There, so I have my little selection all ready to go that I can lift from here, and then I put all these little bunnies in my seasonal part, and I can grab them if I need them for next week, or they'll be there for Easter's going forward. So let's write everything in.
First time I saw you, I was so nervous to talk. Happened so fast, went from so lonely to falling asleep in your arms.
There we are. Thank you so much for watching today and hanging out. I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you enjoy your Easter break, whatever it is you're going to be doing. And take care, and I'll speak to you really soon. Bye.
I used to be afraid to fall in love. My past relationship was such